Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, I have the ick. I don't know what the ick is, but it's going around and I caught it. And I have been really struggling on working on my current project for this week. It's Thursday night and I come to the realization I'm not going to finish this in time to post it for Saturday. So this right here, you didn't see that. So we're going to switch gears and do some mini brand therapy instead. Alright, this looks a lot better and we're going to pretend like the other project is not hidden behind this wall, and we're going to get to opening some mini brands. But first, I do want to share with you some items that you might be... My brain doesn't want to work. Some items that you might want to be on the lookout for at your local stores. The first item is the Mini Barbie Land Pet Store, and I recently found this at Walmart for $2.50. The next item are these assorted polymer clay packs from the Dollar Tree. They're only $1.25. I plan on making some treats for my dolls for the holiday season, so I thought if it doesn't work out, I didn't spend that much money. I found several different packs. So there's this pack, you get 5 different sticks, and these are more neutral tones. There's a pack with 3 larger sticks. You get a black, gray, and a white. This 3-pack gives you a brown, white, and green. It's like almost like an army green. There's a 3-pack with blue, red, and yellow. And I found this pack with pastel colors. You get pink, blue, and purple. There's also an acrylic board that you can use with the polymer clay. It's $1.25. And there's also a 5-piece clay tools kit for $1.25. They do have clay molds at the Dollar Tree. All of the ones that I've seen were to make flowers, so I didn't purchase any of those. Now let's open some Mini Brands books, Series 1. These are the ones I found at Walmart for $3.50. Hopefully you've been able to find them at your store. Here's our first bag, and I think this is the shelf. Yes, and I have a lot of these already, so I'm not going to put this together. And if you're wondering what the bookshelves look like, I already have one from a previous fall put together. So they're just white, and you can stack them on top of each other. The second bag should be a book. And yes, Stranger Things, Suspicious Minds. Are you guys ready for the new and final season of the TV show? I'm ready for them to air this ASAP. So this book is paperback and it's finished all the way around. It's pretty thin. And inside we have all the pages have blurred wording on it. I don't think you can read any of these except the first page. Next we have another paperback, The Vampire Diaries. It's another paperback, and it is a little bit thicker than the Stranger Things paperback. And this book is, we got the magnifying glass, the bookmark. This time we got a hardback book, and it is Library of Souls. And I guess you need the magnifying glass for the rest of it. I think it says the third novel in Mrs. Pettigrew's Particular Children. Oh, I've seen the movie for this. Okay. Didn't know it was a book first. So this book is a nice size. It has a hardcover all the way around. Let's open another ball. I can already tell this is another shelf. We're not going to open it. The first book in that ball is Dog Man, and it is a hardback book. And like the other hardback, it is a pretty good thickness. And here's a look at the back cover. And with that book, we also got another magnifying glass and bookmark. Before I open another bag, I do want to thank you guys for all the wonderful comments about my skits that I insert in my weekly videos. And I do see the comments asking if I'm going to do more episodes of Totally Tanja. And the answer is yes. I know I haven't put out a dedicated video to that series in a year. I think it was The Halloween episode of last year was the last one that was fully dedicated to it. So I will say the script for the new video is almost done, and I'll start filming on that soon, but it's going to take a while because I'm going to make it a little longer than what I usually make those episodes. So it is coming. Our next book is Matilda, and it is a paperback, and I think I already have this book. It's a pretty thin one, and here's what the back looks like. And the last one in that surprise ball is another Stranger Things book. This one is titled The Darkness on the Edge of Town. And we have another ball. Another bookshelf, so I'm going to put this with the other ones. And this one is Clueless, and it's a paperback. Here's what it looks like from the side, so you can see the spine of the book is pretty thin. And here's the back. Let's open this one. And I hope all of you guys are doing well and you don't have whatever it is I have right now. So let's see what we have in this one. We got another magnifying glass and a bookmark, and this is a different one. This is the first bookmark I've gotten like this. I always get the brown bookmark, but this one is white. It says Many Brands Books, and it has some illustrations of books stacked on top of each other and some books opened. And it's the same on the front and the back. And our book is the hardback copy of A Christmas Carol. And I think this would look really nice displayed in the dollhouse for Christmas. Here's what it looks like from the side and the back. Compared to the other hardback books that I got today, the Christmas Carol one is a little bit shorter. So I'm glad to see they come in different sizes. I think that makes them look really realistic on a bookshelf. And this book is Bunnicula, I'm thinking I'm saying that correctly, A Rabbit Tale of Mystery. So it's a Dracula bunny. This is a paperback, and this one is the thinnest I've ever seen in the Many Brand books. And here's what the back looks like. The Bunnicula, which is in the middle, the black book, it is a little bit thinner than the Clueless and the Matilda books. So my friends, I'm going to try to get some rest so I can finish that other project. I hope all of you guys are staying healthy. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.